Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Can you please introduce yourself?
I'm ABD 1368.
How old are you?
I'm 33 years old.
What is your marital status?
Single.
Do you have kids?
Yes, ma'am. 11 years old is my son.
Who will take care of your son when you
My
work
mother.
abroad? Who will take care of your son when you work abroad?
My mother.
Do you have any experience working as domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am. In Saudi Arabia and Doha, Qatar. And I taking care of 4 years old baby. And I take a bath. And I make hair food. And then I change their clothes. And if he's sleeping, I cleaning the house, cooking.
Okay, you've mentioned taking care of a child. So are you the one who sent them to school?
Yes, ma'am.
In the future, if your employer has children, are you willing to take the children to school if you
Yes.
need to?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to tutor or teach your employer's children like reading, counting, or any other learning activities?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to eat Chinese food when you get there?
Yes, ma'am. I am willing and I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese foods.
If you're homesick, what will you do?
Focus my work and I make myself busy and I have time and I call my family.
Okay, if your day off is not on Sunday or you don't have any day off because your employer needs your assistance, are you still willing to take the job?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of dogs or cats
No.
or any? Are you afraid of dogs or cats or any other pets?
No.
Are you also willing to take care of pets like walking the dog daily?
Yes, ma'am.
If your employer gets are you also willing to put down your personal phone during your working hour?
Yes, ma'am.
If your employer gets angry at you when you make a mistake, what will you do?
Stay calm down and apologize. Learn my from my mistake and promise to them I will not happen again.
Why choose Hong Kong?
Aside from the highest salary, I chose Hong Kong because it is safe country for domestic helper and also help my support to my family future.
If you work in Hong Kong, how long do you plan?
If I hired, I plan to work in Hong Kong as long as my employers needs me and we have a good relationship.
Okay, last, say a few words for your future employer.
Hello, ma'am, sir. I'm Maria Farpinot. Please choose me as your part of your family. I am responsible, hardworking, and very much willing to learn. I will assure you that I will love your child as my own. Thank you and see you soon.